We got a forum! No, not the old school forum you might think of. A very polished, modern forum that's designed from the ground up for the privacy community. We've had several communities along the years, and part of the journey is deciding what works and what doesn't. We're not fans of real-time communities because what ends up happening is people have the same question and discussion all day, every day, and moderating literally thousands of messages every day requires just too much time, effort, resources, and frankly too many overworked volunteer mods. Plus, there is just so much great information that people just can't reference for the world to see because it took place in this field of messages on a closed platform. Our community admin, Jonah, spent months putting the forum together, which aims to address all of these problems. Now, you can have discussions, post news, ask questions, post memes, and really anything you want in an environment that's easily referenceable, productive, and most importantly, healthy and easy for us to moderate because we have lives, newsflash, and limited time, second newsflash, and our main commitment is our content. A couple nifty things: even if you don't want to create an account, you can follow whatever you want by category, like any post made in the news category with an RSS client. Also, did I mention all our videos are auto-posted there, so you can avoid needing a Google account to interact with our content and leave comments. It's kind of like its own comment section. It doesn't require Google. Privacy and security-wise, this was important to us. I would also argue it's better than all the options we had and have used. It's all running on open source discourse. We manage all the data ourselves. There is no phone number requirement. We have TOTP and UTF support, and if you don't like the forum, you can actually delete your comments and posts at your own discretion with no hassle or risk of getting your account deleted. We've had this open to the public for a while now, but this is now our formal PSA that it's ready for you to join, and we're super excited to have all of you over there. One extra cool perk that I do want to outline: if you are a patron of ours, you get a nifty badge in this community too. So go join our Patreon if you like our work, because it helps us out a ton in keeping things like our communities totally free for all of you. And also, you're helping us enable this to be just a public privacy community, because we want this community to extend to just the privacy community in general, because we're not really happy with any of the options out there right now. Now, we don't want to gloss over this. There is one big downside to this change. We had to decide what to do with our instant communities, and unfortunately, Matrix was just not going to work. It's too hard to moderate at scale for huge communities like ours, and if you want to see a very thorough list of our reasoning to drop Matrix, we have a post on our forum, yes, ironically, outlining all of this. And before people ask, we would have shut down Discord too, and the only reason it's still up is moderating it is just stupid simple. We've had almost no issues since dropping Matrix moderation-wise. If you still miss Matrix, we're very sorry, but there's also lots of other great Matrix communities for privacy and security, and we hope that our forum adds something unique to the table that no one's really done or offered before at the scale that we hope to get this to. We're always looking for the best possible community that balances a fantastic experience for you, isn't difficult for us to manage, and is private and secure, which is an extremely hard balance to strike, and I feel that this forum actually strikes it the best. So go check it out. We're really happy to offer this service to you, and go ahead and enjoy it, and we'll see you next time on Techlore.